Best crypto to buy now to June. The Sandbox, Injective, the graph. Cryptocurrency markets are choppy in wake of a mixed U.S. labor market report that saw a beat on the headline non-farm payrolls number, i.e. the number of jobs added in May, but also a larger than expected rise in the unemployment rate and a slowdown in the MOM pace of average hourly earnings growth. Bitcoin was last changing hands close to but just below $27,000 with its recent technical downtrend seemingly still intact, while Ethereum was last trading in the upper $1,800s. As crypto investors mull the outlook for the Fed's interest rate policy, key policymakers have signaled a pause in rate hikes is likely and major cryptocurrencies remain range-bound. Here are some of the best altcoins to consider buying today. The Sandbox Sand is currently consolidating just below its 50-day moving average DMA in the 55 cents area. Sand is the Ethereum blockchain-issued ERC20 crypto token that powers the Sandbox metaverse, which describes itself as an immersive online gaming experience that offers users the opportunity to monetize their NFTs. If the cryptocurrency can get above its 50 DMA and recent highs in the 575 cents area, this could open up the door to a retest of a downtrend from the 2023 highs and the 100 and 200 DMAs, which currently all reside in the 60 cents area. A break above this key area of resistance could reignite the bull market that likely began back when Sand broke out of its 2021/2022 downtrend earlier this year. With much potential for upside, Sand could be a great crypto to buy today. Wall Street Memes WSM. Wall Street Memes is one of the internet's hottest retail investing communities that previously rose to prominence in the meme stock craze of 2021, but has recently been expanding its relevance within the cryptocurrency space with the new presale of its associated $WSM token. The presale, which has raised close to $3 million in under a week, is fast following in the footsteps of 2021's highly successful mint of the Wall Street Bull's 10,000-piece NFT collection, which famously made $2.5 million and sold out in 32 minutes. The success of the $WSM presale is hardly surprising, given the size of the Wall Street Memes community. Not only are there 523 hyper-engaged community members on its Wallspits Instagram account, there are another 214 on Twitter and more than 100 across its two other Instagram channels, Wallskinwild and Wallspulsift. All told, Wall Street Memes has a 1 million-strong social community of degens, which analysts think all but guarantees that the $WSM token will be listed on Tier 1 crypto exchanges like Binance. And in fitting with its focus on empowering the little guy, 100% of the token supply is for the Wall Street Memes community. There is no behind-the-scenes private sale and no team allocation largesse. 50% of the token supply is available in the presale. 30% is community rewards, 10% for CX liquidity, and 10% for DX liquidity. With 30% of the supply allocated to community rewards, it can reasonably be expected that airdrops to holders will be a big part of the ecosystem. Indeed, the first $WSM airdrop is open now. Join the Discord, connect socials, engage on socials, buy and trade $WSM to be eligible to receive the drop. To buy $WSM tokens, you will need ETH, BNB, or USD ERC20 or BP20 versions accepted in your crypto wallet. Simply connect at the website to make your purchase. Analysts are already predicting tanks gains for Wall Street Memes when it lists on exchanges, and you can be a part of it. Visit Wall Street Memes here, Injective INJ. INJ was last changing hands just below $8 per token, having rallied close to 10% on Friday. INJ is the cryptocurrency that powers the Injective protocol, a Layer 1 blockchain that claims to be the first blockchain to offer auto-executing smart contracts which empower faster, more innovative and groundbreaking applications. The cryptocurrency looks like it's odds on to retest yearly highs in the $10 area in the near future. That's because INJ recently broke to the north of a short-term downtrend and confirmed the break of this downtrend by finding resistance at the retest. INJ has also broken to the north of its 21 and 50 DMAs once again. With easy potential near-term gains of around 25% possible, INJ could be one of the best cryptos to buy today. Ecodura is the native cryptocurrency of a blockchain-run green ecosystem that incentivizes environmentally friendly behavior. As outlined in the project's white paper, the award-winning project is building an all-in-one Ecodura-powered Web3 ecosystem designed to encourage recycling via its first-of-its-kind recycled or an ArtWo system, facilitate trade in recycled materials, and encourage individuals and businesses to offset their carbon footprint. The green Web3 startup's ArtWo app is supported in any country that uses reverse vending machines RVMS, meaning a huge potential market. Nascent green Web3 projects like Ecodura are expected to play an increasingly important role in global efforts to address climate change in the decades ahead, as crypto's broader adoption increases. It's no wonder then that the crypto presale that Ecuador is currently running in order to fund the development of its platform has been a resounding success. Ecuador is in the fourth stage of its Ecuador token presale, with tokens currently priced at just 85 cents. The project just passed the massive milestone of having raised over $4.5 million. Visit Ecuador here. The graph GRT. GRT is currently changing hands around 13 cents per token and is eyeing a break above a key downtrend from yearly highs that could open the door to a retest of these yearly highs in the 23 cents area. GRT is the Ethereum blockchain-issued ERC20 crypto token that powers the graph, a decentralized protocol for indexing and querying data from blockchains. The graph explains that, just as Google indexes the web, the protocol indexes blockchain data from networks like Ethereum and Filecoin, and this data is grouped into open APIs called subgraphs that anyone can query. Given the possibility that GRT could easily pump 75% higher from current levels back to yearly highs if it can break above key resistance, it may be one of the best cryptos to buy. Today, why predict Iprid? A groundbreaking new AI-powered crypto trading and market intelligence platform called YPredict is building a first-of-its-kind, institutional-grade crypto price prediction system. According to observers, the tool, which is powered by YPredict's in-house deep data analysis, will help crypto investors discover the next explosive crypto with ease. The best part, YPredict's crypto price prediction system will remain free and open for all users to access. The price predictions will be made publicly available and require no login to see, the project's whitepaper explains. But YPredict offers investors much more than just crypto price predictions. The project is building a cutting-edge crypto research and trading platform that provides traders and investors access to dozens of AI-powered signals, breakouts, pattern recognition, and social/new sentiment features, the startup says in its whitepaper. The platform's technology was designed using state-of-art predictive models and data insights built by top 1% AI developers and quants. Meanwhile, the YPredict AI marketplace will enable experts to earn recurring revenue by offering their model predictions or data research as trading signals, which traders and investors can subscribe to. To fund the development of its revolutionary AI-powered crypto trading and market intelligence platform, YPredict is running a presale of the native dollar YPRID token that will power its platform. The presale is absolutely flying and just hit the massive $2 million milestone. The project's presale is in its sixth stage, with $YPRID token selling for 9 cents. However, there's still plenty of upside for new investors, as the token will list across major exchanges for 12 cents later this year, for paper gains of 33%. But the pace at which YPredict's $YPRID token continues to fly off the shelves means that investors need to be careful not to miss out before the presale sells out. YPredict has a presale hard cap of $6.05 million, which could be hit in a couple of weeks if the presale continues to gain pace like it has in recent days. The 33% gains that investors who get in now can secure could pale in comparison with the upside $YPRID could enjoy in the long run. Visit YPredict here. Swords of Blood SWDTKN. Swords of Blood, a Polygon blockchain-based play-to-earn role-playing game RPG, offers a free cross-play game on PC and mobile that provides an immersive world, polished gameplay, and a compelling story. The game already has a massive 4 million downloads on the iOS and Google Play stores, indicating a sizable player base is further supported by $6 million in in-app revenue. The game features abundant content, promising more than 250 hours of campaign gameplay along with multiple modes, including PvP for up to 16 players. An alluring narrative set in the turbulent world of Azure distinguishes it within the cryptocurrency gaming sector. This complex storyline captivates players as they assume various roles and embark on gripping quests. This user-centric game boasts an intuitive interface with many opportunities for players to acquire potent weapons and armor, engage in crafting, and devise their own unique strategies. A PvP mode is also available for those with a competitive streak, challenging players to test their finest builds against others. The game, free to play on both PC and mobile platforms, facilitates interaction among players via its crossplay functionality. Reflecting typical action RPGs, Swords of Blood values player progression and presence challenging gameplay. Its balanced difficulty level tempts players with the promise of superior loot, creating an engaging gameplay loop. Here, players undertake perilous dungeon explorations, battling monsters and overcoming traps. Successful missions reward them with valuable loot which they can use for upgrading equipment or creating new ones. But Swords of Blood is different to your typical in that in-game assets live as blockchain-based NFTs which can be traded. That means that players, unlike on Web2 gaming platforms, wield true ownership over the in-game assets, like weapons and attire, that they work so hard to attain. The presale of SWDTKN, the game's ecosystem token, is underway and currently in its third stage, but the price of SWDTKN is soon set to rise from its current 12 cents level to when the presale hits $1.37 million. SWDTKN will then list across major cryptocurrency exchanges for 15 cents later this year, meaning investors who get in now can be sat on a paper gain of 25%. Ownership of SWDTKN offers players the ability to unlock unique in-game rewards. Payment options include UST, ETH, and DAI, combining an immersive environment, polished gameplay, and a compelling storyline. Swords of Blood is charting a potential course of significant impact on the play-to-earn PoE market. With a pledge of ongoing support and content updates, this game could be on the brink of successfully bridging the cryptocurrency market and the broader gaming industry.